Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to take screenshots in Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows keyboard, press Windows Shift and S, and this is going to pump up. Now you have different tabs right here. You can take full screenshots. You can screenshot some parts. So for you to take a full screenshot, come to the full screen right here, click on that, and then it's going to simply screenshot it without wasting time. Then you can simply come down below right here, click on your save to clipboard, and then you have it in your clipboard right here. Then from your clipboard, you can save it in your PC. And for you to do that, come to this icon, click on here, and then this is going to pump up. Then simply hit on save, and you can close your clipboard. It's as simple as that. Let's see how we can take a screenshot of some part of the PC. So what you need to do is to press Windows Shift and S on your keyboard. Then make sure your cursor is here. You can drag the area that you would like to screenshot, just like what you see right here. Once you're satisfied with the result, then release your mouse, and this is going to pump up. Come down below right here, click on your save to clipboard, and then this is going to pump up. One more thing you can do here, you can make some mark, you can make some edit with your screenshot. Let's, for instance, you want to highlight some part, you can use this particular icon right here, which allow you to highlight with different color. You can click on here and choose another type of color you would like. Let's, for instance, I want to use this green color. We can use to highlight just like so, and then you are good to go. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can come to save icon right here, click on save as, and it's going to pump up like so. Click on save, and you can close your clipboard. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply take a screenshot of your Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.